What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. What's up with y'all, man? I hope y'all liked that first ride video yesterday. Yeah, that road came in. I think it's ride nice, looking good, but it's a few things we got to get situated on there, man. We got to get the turn signals right on the back and the front. So today we're going to tackle that, as well as that headlight. The headlight bulbs blew out when I freaking plugged the battery up. No big deal there. On the road glide, man, we got to get this interference switched out. I believe we have everything to put that thing together for one final time. So once we finish that, we'll be literally that much more done, man. So I can't wait. As soon as we finish that, we're gonna get the brake system done, and we should be able to ride that joint as well, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get right into the video. Alrighty, guys, so we got this road glide pulled out and put up on the jack stand. We got to pull off this outer fairing, and then pretty much do what we did to this side over there. And then here are our new parts right here. We got that little storage bin. Some of the little connection points on there are broken, so we got that. And then here's our speaker pod there. This is our little bracket piece. And our storage doors, color matched, of course, and our screws and stuff and grill. So we should be able to get this thing finished up. At least, we'll see. But looking good though, man, looking good. Let's get this thing taken apart real quick. Alrighty, guys, we got our storage door swapped out. Our speaker door, I want to do, however, I don't got any 3M tape for that GPS sensor, so I'm going to leave it for now until I get some double-sided tape. However, our door covers, you know, they're aftermarket, so that squeeze for that screw is kind of tight, so kind of need like a few spacers just so we can get that thing going. Otherwise, you guys hear that, they're not tightened up all the way, but with a few spacers they should be tight and snug. So definitely got to get some spacers for this thing. But in the meantime, we also are missing one part for the fairing. It's like a little plastic piece that goes back here so you can fit the turn signals on. The turn signals are supposed to be on the fairing before they even get on the bike, so we're missing that part. But that looks like all that we're missing are those two little plastic pieces that go right there. So once we get those, we can be able to put these turn signals on. So I guess we'll go get some spacers or something, try to finish up this front end in the meantime. Alrighty, guys, so I did go to Home Depot, get the little washers or whatever. Good to go now. Got them things on there. So literally just need the turn signals on there. It's one little piece right here that I'm missing, or else this thing would have been complete. Minus the exhaust and the floorboard. Wait until I do the turn signals, because I got to take this off one more time, so I don't want to pop the grills in here and then got to deal with like getting them out again. But it is here. We got that interference situated. We got them doors on there. It's looking way better, so can't wait. Now we got to move to the red bike. Moving to the Road King now. We do have our taillights here. Probably got to take the rear fender off again, no big deal. But we got our rear taillights here, our front bulbs, and our rear bulbs. So we can plug our front up real quick first and see if that works for us. Alright, so we got our headlight going. Now we can pull this thing out, put it up on a jack, and get that rear tail light on there, man. So let's get it going. got our rear fender off. Time to get them tail lights situated real quick. These things in there, and we should be good to go. Alrighty guys, we got this thing back together. Got the rear fender on there. We do have our tail lights on and our headlights. So now we can crank that bad boy on. We can check out these headlights. Okay. We got high beam, low beams up front. And we have our brake lights in the back, man. So for y'all that was like, man, where the turn signals? Where the lights, man? Where everything at? I'm like, dang, man, let me finish, man. Let me get to it, dog. But yeah, man, it's here. We about to throw the bags back on here. Wipe it down, and it's pretty much good to go, dog. Got to get the front turn signals, but that's like something really minor. We already ordered our trim piece for our nozzle, the little handlebar cover right here, all that. We ordered that at Harley already, so that's going to take about a week. So about time we figure out where this thing going, that thing and everything should be tidied up and tackled. So stay tuned, man. Let me know what y'all think about it, though, so far, man. Alrighty, so we got the lights on. Dang, that thing look good. I'm definitely about to ride this up to Harley. Try to find those little turn signal plastic parts so we can get that that thing done. I think this thing is looking good. That's gonna be our only thing. I might have to put something in there so it don't fly out while we ride. Both of them, actually. All right, man, so we just pulled up to Harley. We're leaving, rather. Pulled up on a Road King, looking for a couple parts, but they ain't have them, of course. So gotta order them on eBay and see what's up, man. Y'all see the Road King here, looking good, shined up. That chrome is hitting. Yes, sir. I'm digging it, man. What y'all think about it? Alrighty, guys, just made it back home. Definitely was a way better ride today because it was earlier and a whole lot cooler. So I was enjoying that thing. Really didn't get no footage of it, so you know, it is what it is. But only thing left on this is the turn signals up front and then the little trim pieces here. But this one is completely done with the rear tail lights and stuff. We got, like I said, we got to get the little piece that goes right here. Is one little piece that we're missing to put our turn signals on. Probably tomorrow I'll probably take off that exhaust and try to get that thing all situated and whatnot, as well as the brakes. So with that being said, man, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in today. Pretty cool little chill day, not too much, but you know, we did get a little something done, man. So it is what it is, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2018 Road King back there, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a camo hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We literally only have maybe about 60 hats, if that, left, man. So if you are interested in winning the Harley for the price of a hat, man, head over there right now and get your entry before it's too late. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.